It is now time for us to dive into the world of machine learning. In this section, we will learn about what supervised learning is and how it works. We will then proceed to apply some supervised learning algorithms on a dataset of handmade sketches to classify them. We will learn about classification techniques like KNNs and SVMs. Particularly in this video, we will see what supervised learning is. In machine learning, there are two major types of learning algorithms, and they are supervised algorithms and unsupervised algorithms. Well, technically there is one more called reinforcement learning algorithms, but we won't be going into that in this course. So what is supervised learning? When a machine learning algorithm learns from training data that has already been labeled, it is termed as supervised, because the algorithm is being told of its expected input and the corresponding expected output. Take a look at the pictures shown below. They indicate a dataset which has been labeled already. So before the training can even begin, the algorithm knows that this image is that of an apple and the other image is of an orange. All that it needs to do is to learn from this data and produce a function which maps the given inputs to the expected output. You can think of it as showing a child many images of an object such that it connects its various distinct features to its name. In this case, the child may connect the shape, size and color to distinguish an apple from an orange when he sees it in real life. Algorithms which depend on a labeled dataset for training are called as supervised learning algorithms. Some examples of such algorithms are the nearest neighbor algorithms, support vector machines, decision trees, linear regression, etc. In this section, we will be looking at the k-nearest neighbor algorithm and the support vector machine algorithm.